Are you experiencing low tool life and poor surface finish, and you don't know why? Select the proper feed rate to produce the ideal average chip thickness. When the chips produced are too thin, the cutting forces are increased, and the inserts are rubbing and pushing material instead of cutting it. The chip needs to be thick enough to cut above the protection chamfer of the insert geometry. Thin average chip thickness results in decreased tool life and poor surface quality. When calculating your feed rate, you need to consider two important factors. When the cutter engagement is less than 50% of the diameter, increase the feed rate to compensate and create a thicker chip. Since lead angles of less than 90 degrees thin the chip, you must increase the feed rate to compensate and create a thicker chip as well. For support in improving tool life, contact your local Seco Tools technician today.